In this video you'll find out 3 different apps which will pay us for almost doing nothing. And using the last app you may earn up to $600. All these apps are absolutely free and worldwide available, so whatever country you are living in you'll be able to make. And guys, I want to be honest with you, I'm sharing with you ideas about how you can make money online, which I personally came up with or found on the internet. First, I share with you a strategy and what we need to do to make it work. We all can discuss it in the comments. You can share the video to your friends on your social media pages. It will be great. And over the course of several weeks, I personally tested out the strategy or applications mentioned in the video, and then I will upload a video with my results of how much money I've earned and what issues I have faced with. Alright? So to make money online, you can surf the net, visit a ton of websites, read a bunch of articles, or you can subscribe to my channel and you will make it. Because my goal is to make you more financially independent. And let's be honest guys, the second variant is better, right? And make sure you hit the notification bell, it will notify you when I post a new video, so you won't miss it. Okay, enough introduction, let's get to the deal. Okay, the first app that we will be using is called Money SMS app. It's moneysmsapp.com. So let's find out how it actually works. Money SMS is a free Android app which allows us to make money online automatically by receiving SMS generated by their system and customers. So you need to install this app to your smartphone device, create an account and start to receive their SMS messages and start getting paid for each message you receive. So we don't need to do anything to receive money from this app. As we can read here, it works on Android. Their application is exclusively Android based because only Android allows apps to read SMS. So if you have iOS device, only the last app will be for you. As Money Online, you just need to install their app and get paid by their money-making app for receiving SMS test messages. Security is really important. Their app doesn't read any of your private messages or uses any other data. They read only their own test SMS. So if it's really secure or not, I'll tell you in the results video, guys. Automatic, you earn money with their app passively without any active actions required from your side. That's great that you don't need to do anything, but still you get paid. I see that they have nice referral program. You can refer their app to your friends and community and earn 30% from their earnings. And it is completely passive income, guys, for lifetime. 30%, I'll tell you, that's a very nice percent. Once again, it is free. Their app is absolutely free. You don't need to pay anything to get started, and there are no hidden fees. And we can learn more about how basically these apps work. Sign up, receive automatic test SMS and get paid. It's pretty simple, guys. And we can see how this app will look like in your phone, your balance, your referral code which you can share with your friends and people on the internet, and how their SMS messages look like. It's random numbers and letters. So are they scam or legit? They write, at Money SMS, we take all necessary measures to ensure that we comply with the latest GDPR privacy policy requirements. In the results video, I'll tell you more about it, and now write in the comments what you think about this app, and we are moving to the next application. But before, guys, once again, make sure that you subscribe to my channel and hit notification bell to see more my videos about how you can make money online. Okay, so the next app which allows us to make some passive income is called Cash Magnet. Get money from your Android phone. They pay for every minute of that time when you do nothing, guys. Once again, you need to do nothing. You can download this application at Google Play. They have the largest payments because Cash Magnet unites all the best reward programs in one place. So this app must pay more than Money SMS app, I guess. You don't need to perform tasks, watch ads or play games. Earnings will come in absolutely autonomous and passive mode. So as they say, you can go whatever you want. You can sleep, work at your main job, cooking or whatever. So we can leave our smartphone somewhere and it will generate some money for us. It is absolutely safe. They guarantee that your data and personal settings will not be used in any way. And once again, in the results video, I'll tell you more about it. But if you don't trust these apps, if you want to, you can install this app on your old smartphone, maybe, which you don't even use, guys. So go to cashmagnet.com and read more information about it, how it actually works and stuff. But as I said, you don't need to do anything, you just need to install it on your smartphone. I don't know how it works, but I guess it works. Let's move to the main app for today. And the main app is called Current. To find it in Google, you need to go to current.us. This app is all about listening to music, and here you can earn up to $600 a year or $50 a month just by turning on your favorite music. Also, you can find this on Google Play and App Store, so iOS users, welcome to this app. All of us are listening to music, and now we can get paid for doing this. So you need to install it to your smartphone and search and play 100,000 plus radio stations, and you can find your favorite music and make some profit for doing this. Earn points by playing your favorite music, spend your points on your favorite brands. And so once again, my friends, current.us. Come and check it out, whether you like it or not, and let me know in the comments. Maybe you have tried it already, who knows. Alright guys, I hope this information was useful for you. Subscribe to my channel and hit the bell to see my results with these apps and to find out more strategies on how you can make money online. So yeah, that's all for today. See you next videos. Bye.